When Christmas is around the corner, the first thought comes to my mind is decoration. We put up a Christmas tree in the house and decorate with many stuff like stickers, twigs, lights. And have you thought that make something different this year? Yes, we not purchased from eBay or Amazon, and we make it with our imagination with laser machine. Let's take a closer look to see how laser machine can help for the Christmas ornaments.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. May peace, happiness, and good fortune be with you always. Besides the ornaments, we also make personalized coaster and chopping board. Please subscribe us and wait to see the coming videos. Thank you.